we done with the lunch, and that was very delicious. So now we are here at our second destination. It's Wat Huay Pla Khung. So the one of the features that you see here, you can see up there, there's this very tall and big statue of Chome Kunim. So we're gonna go up there and check it out, see what's up there. They told us that you can actually take the lift up there. So I have to say it almost the same size as a Statue of Liberty. And if you look down this way, you see that it's like pagoda. And that's pagoda right there. And today, even though it's raining like this today, man, there's a lot of people up here. So, and then of course, right in the middle. And again, this is white. You look at the craftsman work on those back of the Buddha's hall. And on the top, you see the Naga. That's the theme of the Buddhists. I mean, there's a lot of work going to it. So, and a lot of people are here today. Well, let's go see what's up there. You're probably wondering why there's so many bells keep ringing. This is a prayer bell, so I'm gonna walk through it. 1, 2, 4. I don't know how you're gonna, just pray for good stuff. Okay? Look, so prayer bell. So this is right at the base of the stupa here. Well, I think some people come in the wrong direction here, but look, they all get excited. See, so this is all the prayer bell. It's interesting. Oh, sorry, I walked a little faster. And of course, now we have our the Suksavat herself is doing the prayer bell. Alright, let's go. See some more. This is where you burn your incense and then you put it up there for
รถรับส่งฟรีนะ
so you can pray.
เจ้าแม่จะมีบุญใหญ่นะด้านในองค์เจ้าแม่นารีนิดสามารถขึ้น
Look at this. There's a lot of praying incense. So, smoke inhalation. There's a lot of smoke up there. Here you go. Two. Wow, look at that. And look at this naga here. It's like a dragon. Pretty big one too. And that actually people going all the way up there. It's I say close to 500 or 600 feet at least. Alright, let's go up there see what's up there. Yeah, this is where you offer your incense and pray. There you go. She's praying for all the good health and luck and fortune. It also keeps you warm. Look at that. Let's head up there. I'm surprised how many people are here today. Inspired with the rain. I'm getting wet right now. But look, we only have a few days in this area, so we have to do it. One thing when you come to the temple, it's a must that you have to take off your shoe. It's a must before you enter any temple. Okay? And look, there's so many pair of shoes over here. So I recommend don't wear your best pair of shoe here. It might disappear. No, not that bad. People won't do that here. You wouldn't believe that it's become a tourist attraction. And look, you see the image here is carved out of just solid trunk of wood. I mean, it's a big tree. It has to be a really big tree, so you can see. And they have a few monks here that are blessing people who come up here asking for, to be blessed. So, okay, let's see. Let's get some of our. The monks are busy. They're on overtime for weekend. So this hall here is like stupa. It has 9 levels. So could they believe that 9 is the highest level, not 10? And each level, it has a number of Buddha statues up there. Look. Let's go upstairs, see what's upstairs. So this is the second level. You can see second level. You can see this is four-faced Buddha. And people making offering here too, see? And that will stay like that. No one will take it. Alright. When you got a number of Buddha statues here. Let's head up to the 3rd floor. See what's up there. Alright, going up to the 3rd floor. Here we are. Now, on this floor, all the Buddha statue, it's a sitting, they're all sitting statue here. Interesting. So let's see how many statues we have over here. We got the Buddha himself. So 1, 2, 3. Let's see. 4, 5. It's about 9 statues on each floor. Look at this. Just imagine it before that is hardly any traffic. And now you have to wait just to get up here. So hey, you did the Western here. I don't know if that's a good thing or bad thing. I think this is the 4th floor. There's only one Buddha statue, and it's Buddha himself. So let's go upstairs for the next level. Wow, that's a pretty tall statue up there. It's sitting on top of the hill, and I gotta say, it had to be the same size as the Statue of Liberty. Look at those the dragon boat on top of the roof, and on each side of the roof is guarded by a dagger. So I just climbed up almost 9th floor to the 8th. I decided not to go all the way up because it's one thing they have the only one staircase, and it's a spiral staircase. It's going up. There's just too many people up there, and it's getting narrow and narrow as you get up there. So the next stop, we're gonna go there. So that's gonna be another thing to look at. So be interesting. Let's go see. Look at that. You have total of 10 floors. No, if you don't count the bottom floor. Okay, so you have total 9 up there above the 1st floor. And then as you get up there, it's pretty steep. Not too steep, narrow. And there's a lot of people today. So I didn't go all the way up. I went to the 8th floor, and that's about it. Now right now we're gonna go see the other side. Take a look at this. You have about a foot and a half, 2 foot wide to walk. There's no safety rail. So don't get tipsy when you come here. You'll be wrong down that hill pretty quickly. Look at that. Look at that side. What you see there, that's an entrance going up. That's the main stairs going up to Chiangrai. Okay. And the stair going up is being guarded by 4. See, it looks like 4 or 5 dragons. So you got 2 or 3 on. It looks like 2 on each side. So let's go see. Really get closer. Wow. It's white inside. You got two statues of Buddhists up there. And you look at all this carving on these columns. Look at that. Just look at the carving on this giant door here. I mean, this is really intricate. Look at that. And this is carved out of one piece. Say the door itself had to be at least 12 feet tall, and look at the thickness of this. So you got about 5 inches. There's a lot of work going to it. People are still coming in spite of the rain that is, we're having here today. Look at that. You see all the minivan. That's a for hire. It's like a 8-passenger, 10-passenger minivan. And when you look in the parking lot, it's all full. Got tour bus. And people are still driving up. Wow. It's amazing. So we made it at the base of the Chiangrai. So take a look. Look at that. It's pretty tall. I have to say it. I say this again. It's almost tall as a Statue of Liberty. Interesting. Bottom is wide open, so it's been supported by a lot of columns there, and people can walk under, and there's a lift that you can go up to the top. I don't think I'm going to go up, but it's just too many people, so I'm just going to be walking at the base and take a look at other figures that they have here. So you got 1, 2, 3. It has 3 of the Naga or the dragon on each side of the staircase going up and down. So this thing looks pretty big. Look at that. Still the artwork that go into it. Look at that. She's pretty tall. And she's sit in the right spot, overlook the town down there. So you can take a look. So I'm gonna turn this around so you can see. Yeah. Look at that, back there, that's the village. And she's sitting on top of the hill, keep her sight down in the town there. Look at that. See the backdrop there, yeah? That's a stupa that we've been up, and that has a nice floor up there, so we're gonna snap some pictures. Go. And there you go. So this is inside the Chiangrai. So you can see. I mean, even inside here, if you look at all the support beam that they use up here, it's been coupled with artworks and the craftsmanship and hours of labor that go into this thing. It's amazing. So look at that. Right? And of course you got Kung Fu Panda here. Now, this little opening here, that's the eye. What about look at that. And then of course, up here, let's see more dragons. More dragons guarding the area up there. So look, you really know, wow, it's just amazing how they, how they spin up here to build this. Look at that. Well, if you guys are here, just don't pass this on. Make sure that you know, take the moment to stop by, take a look. I mean, it's just amazing how much time and effort put into this thing. It's just amazing how much detail go into this artwork. It's amazing. So, don't pass it by. If you have the opportunity, come by and see. Spend a few hours here there. It will be a good experience in life. See you. Bye bye. See you next trip. Bye bye.